You are going to love the 2026 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Bluetooth, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.